Hello, and thank you for watching this short video. My name is Paul North, and I'm the founder and MD of Illuminis Insight Software, home of the Illuminis Business Intelligence solution for SMEs. Today, I want to tell you about the role that business intelligence software can play in getting your business data clean and reliable. This means things like catching errors from manual keying in of data, meaning you can avoid serious errors creeping into your data sets. So as a byproduct of your decision to use business intelligence software for reporting, along the way, and at no extra cost, at least when you use the Illuminis solution, you can make good headway in data cleansing and significantly improving productivity. In this short video clip from a presentation I gave in partnership with Cranfield University School of Management, I give just 3 examples illustrating some quick wins that you can enjoy by using automatic push reporting inbuilt into our business intelligence solution. And I'd like to talk about the idea of push reporting. So push reporting is in essence those great nuggets of data that turn up in your inbox on a regular basis, maybe every day. So let's have a look at the idea of that. So automated daily emails that can improve workflow and drive efficiencies, something really straightforward. They can do things that will seamlessly cross-check your task, remove roadblocks out of the business, and particularly where we all know that most of the data that goes into our account system is put in by somebody by hand. Sure, we've got automatic bank feeds and some of that stuff, but when invoices are raised, when stock transactions are done, whatever, someone's typing those in, errors get made, records get created. So actually being able to use this kind of technology to look for errors and data gaps and prompt corrections is another really good thing that you can do. And if you can get those delivered directly to the person that can make a difference, then you can really streamline the processes in the business. So I'm going to share with you what I mean using we have a laughingly called housekeeping tool that every day does some looking at this data that's been collected and can send some reports. I'm going to show you 3 emails. These are relay emails that came out this week. I've anonymized them, but these came out from one of our clients earlier this week. Give you an idea on the 3 different types of things that we can do. So let's first of all look at Housekeeping Kpi Report. So in this particular instance, it's just sending out emails that show orders that got raised yesterday that have a low margin on them. So if you're the guy that's the category manager at the end here, you're looking after these products, and it now turns out that some sales rep down the corridor is dishing out your products at lower than margin, you find out on the day it's happened. So you can get to manage your targets and your margins looking at that data. It's there in your inbox every morning. Next one is about process. So this one lists customers on stop in the account system, but who actually paid their bill this week. Now, typically in an accounts package, it's quite a long-winded thing to do to say, well, someone's paid some money. Have I got to go and find out if they're on stop or not and all that kind of stuff? It's a long-winded process. This one gives the accounts department a quick and simple, here's my email, I can go take them off stop. The goods get released and that roadblock between the accounts department and the warehouse just disappears. Finally, just a straightforward data quality option. So this report simply gives you those items that are sat in the warehouse that you've been shipping or shipped in that are missing a commodity code. Getting half a dozen of these every day is an awful lot better than running the report on the day it's due and finding you're missing 100 and you've got to go scrabbling about to get them. So again, just keeping on top of these things can really make a big difference. So again, I'm going to watch this one run. This is actually Iris Exchequer data. So a bigger system. We've got 80 individual reports amongst what's going on in the screen there, and they'll go out in 41 emails to the staff around the business. We've got stuff to do with KPIs, we've got stuff to do with workflow, and we've got some of those data quality stuff too. And all of that happens in 20 seconds. And it's utterly automatic. It just sits there at the end of the routine in the evening, and when people come into the desk in the morning, they've got the emails to make a difference to the business there and then, right across the business. So I could give you lots more examples, but you get the idea. When you engage with Illuminis, you get all the benefits of our unique offering to SMEs. For a single monthly fee, we provide a one-stop shop for SME reporting, combining excellent, easy-to-use software with specialist advice and support, which is always on tap. Push emails are included and set up by us to your specific requirements, whenever you need them at no extra cost. I'd love to give you a quick demo and show you how you too can have the reporting you need at a level you really didn't think possible at this price. Email me or visit our website and get in touch. Thank you.